Christina Roki, an engineering student at the University of Michigan, has 2 million followers on TikTok. She's well known for giving cars DIY makeovers and reviewing popular luxury car features. One of her recent projects involved something called a chrome delete application on a black 2002 Mercedes E350 that was also getting a matte green body wrap. The chrome delete process involves using a special type of vinyl wrap designed to hide the original chrome finish on a car. Some auto enthusiasts consider chrome trim to be outdated, preferring a more modern matte aesthetic. The benefit of chrome delete wraps is that they hide the original chrome finish while protecting it, instead of eliminating it entirely. Before Christina wraps the car body, she cleans the original chrome finish to get rid of any dirt or debris. Once it's fully cleaned, measuring the dimensions of the car is essential to getting that perfect fit when wrapping. Next, Christina cuts the vinyl wrap to size and applies it to the body, then presses it flat with a straight-edge squeegee tool to prevent air bubbles from forming, while using an industrial blow dryer to help the vinyl stick. When wrapping the body of the car, Christina opens the doors to make sure the vinyl wrap is covering every crevice. For this Mercedes, one of the most challenging sections to wrap perfectly is the trunk area. Because there is so much rust in the back of the trunk, Christina wraps the top of the trunk first. Next, she removes rust from the trunk by applying primer and sanding the paint down to the original metal. Removing rust is important during this process because it can cause imperfections and eat away at the vinyl. After she's wrapped the entire body of the car with matte green, Christina starts the chrome delete process. She applies blackout matte tape to every shiny metallic surface on the car. Chrome around the windows, along the doors, on the trunk, and more are given the full chrome delete treatment. Using the squeegee tool, she presses the vinyl down and inside the small crevices so that the old chrome finish is fully covered. She then uses the heat gun to make sure no air bubbles form. For sections of the vehicle like the grille, wheels, and Mercedes badging, vinyl application is not possible. Instead, Christina removes the part entirely from the vehicle, then masks sections with painter's tape and applies automotive-grade black spray paint. Christina cleans the inside of the vehicle and uses vinyl to black out the wooden trim throughout the interior so that it matches the new exterior look.